Is Windows failing to load because of the NT Event Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To start our troubleshooting for NT Event Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the NT Event Library, the Windows NT Event Log Message Library. It houses unmanaged localized string tables used by the localized event viewer to display human-readable network and system log manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. NTEVT is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including NT Event Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Be aware that manual interventions for NT Event Library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to NT Event Library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing NT Event Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.